CRWV down 2.42%. This is Friday, the 15th of August 2025. So yes, the expiration period has now, rather the IPO lockup period has now come to an end. So the insiders can start selling from right now. They are now free to start selling from right now. So for many traders, this raises the specter of increased selling pressure and heightened volatility in the short term. Bearish voices in the community argue that with the stock already off recent highs, the risk of early investors cashing out could push prices lower. They point to the fact that CoreWeave has rallied nearly 300% since its IPO in March of this year, making it an attractive profit-taking opportunity for insiders. Some are even mapping out potential support levels in anticipation of a deeper pullback, especially if broader AI sentiment cools. Bulls, however, see the recent downward move as potentially overdone, noting that much of the lockup related fear may have already been priced in. They argue that if the setting is lighter than expected, the setup could be a could the setup could favor a short squeeze, especially given the elevated short interest and the company's position as a leading player in the AI cloud infrastructure. A central talking point is Nvidia's increased stake in CoreWeave. Supporters view this as a strong vote of confidence from one of the most dominant companies in AI hardware, reinforcing CoreWeave's long-term prospects. Skeptics countered that the size of Nvidia's investment is small relative to CoreWeave's total market capitalization, making the move more symbolic than just transformational. With the AI sector experiencing choppy price action amid shifting macro and tech sentiment, CoreWeave's next step may be dictated by how the market digests the lockup expiration and much more. Traders are split between preparing for a potential sell-off in today's trading session by the insiders and positioning for an upside surprise if the overhang proves minimal, making CRV one of the more closely watched AI stocks in the current market. So yeah, it's been on the downtrend since Tuesday the 12th. Now intraday low at some point in this session is 90.55. It has recovered from those lows. So let's see now. We have upper projection of 125.89 currently in play. Before now, we also had 132 as well. Um, there's more 127.57, 120.39. There are also downward projections 66.67, 74.38, 86.88. There's 111.60, 115.73, 118.27. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's 78.21. We've seen 66 already, so there's ample room to the upside. That's really not a problem. Not a problem at all. I think the fear is just how low, if anything. Okay, we have here 40. Okay, no, so not 40, 143. The fear is how low can it possibly print. So far, we've seen the low we've seen is 66 or thereabouts, $66. Yeah, 66.67, and that will be close to a 30%. Yeah, 30% discount from current levels. Yeah, staying stand right now, as one can imagine, selling pressure is yeah, okay, well, very high, severely bearish. However, we have some positive derivatives. You can see here the second derivatives, the two second derivatives are all robust here on the 10 and 21 period moving averages. You can see 8.14 and 7.36, indicating that yeah, the stock has actually recovered from the lows it has printed. So it makes sense that we have these robust second derivatives indicating that yeah, maybe so far we have seen the bottom. We have seen the bottom, which is around 90.55. And maybe it may just be a case of maintaining the trend. Let's have a look at the 1 hour chart to see if it's extrapolating anything. Okay, here lower prices are still expected to keep playing out, and it's not indicating anything lower than what we have seen already. It's indicating 91.56, which is not as low, but still right around those sort of levels, right around 90.55. Here we have, I mean, think of any upside upper projection. It makes sense. It's something the stock can indeed print. We have 133.83 now. Currently in play 128.04, 118.68, 137.30. Just name any upper projection, and there will be a thesis that can justify that. So that's what's going on right now, and just have a look and see what you make of CoreWeave. We'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.